Hola, it's Jess, a Zamboangueña now in the UK. And for today's video, medyo iba to. 2026 na and I started a new mantra. Kasi let's be honest, space is expensive, especially abroad. So kung may nakatira sa cabinet ko, dapat may purpose. And now, my mission is to separate yung mga pwede ko pang isuot, yung mga idodonate, at yung mga quality pa na kailangan na umalis, either for recycling or vinted. Kumbaga, ROI na sila. Nasuot ko na at na-enjoy ko na, kaya it's time to let go. Winter ngayon, pero halo-halo pa rin yung mga summer at holiday clothes ko sa current wardrobe. So I set a 1-hour timer, challenge ko yung sarili ko na matapos lahat. First step, segregation. Shirts, jumpers, trousers, summer outfits. Plus may nahanap pa akong ibang mga damit ng asawa ko. Guys, it took me 30 minutes just to sort out, as in. After that, I packed the donation bag. Done. Pero wait, my plot twist. I found my kids' old clothes nakatambak na doon for 1 to 2 years. I had a moment. Inamoy ko muna yung baby clothes. And yes, naiyak muna ako bago ko binitawan. Ang hirap pala talaga mag-let go, especially as a parent. After hiding the summer stuff, it's time to put back my chosen winter clothes. Organize na. Trousers, shirts, long sleeves, pajamas. Then I started taking photos for Vinted app where you can sell your old clothes or new clothes, shoes, anything. Mostly 1 to 2 pounds na lang para mabilis ma-dispose. Half pa lang yung na-upload ko, I'll continue on my next off. Pagod na ako, so humiga muna ako trying to get Bruno Mars tickets, pero all lats. But still, this is a success. Folded clothes, donation bags, clothes posted on Vinted. Timer's done. Bed made, pagod pero productive. This is 2026 energy. Less clutter, more peace. Hasta mañana!